Everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to save an Excel workbook in 97/2003 format. See, all the Excel workbook after the 2017 Microsoft Office version is saved in .XLSX format. So, the first question will arise in your mind: why do we save an Excel workbook in 97/2003 format? Now, I will explain why you saved your Excel workbook in 97/2003 format. If you save your Excel workbook or Excel files in 97/2003 format, that means in .xlx format instead of the new .xlsx format. User who do not have Excel 2007 or later installed on their computer can still open your Excel files. See, this is .xls, and normally Excel automatically save in the new format XLSX format. So if you select .xls and press save, so it will open in every system who does not have 2007 or later version. Also they can also open your Excel file. So if you don't want to select 97/2003 from the drop down, then please follow the steps what I am doing right now. So for this you have to right click here and customize the ribbon, then save, click on save option, and then save files in the format, select 97/2003 and press OK. Now go to file and click on save as. You will see that it will automatically take .xls format instead of .xlsx. It's taking .xls format. So if some files will not, or see if some features will not allow Excel to save in .xls format, then Excel will give you a warning, and in that scenario you need to save the file in the new .xlsx format. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.